All right, I'm going to show you how to make a mask, a face mask, kind of like a surgical mask to protect you from that coronavirus out there using nothing but 2 ordinary paper towels. All right, I got a little heavier duty ones here, but 2 normal size rubber bands. They don't have to be special, extra long or anything like that. They're going to stretch around your ear. And a stapler. Okay, just make sure you got a few staples in it. All right, here we go. It's really easy to do. So what I like to do is I'm going to put them both with the pattern side facing in. You see there's one's pattern size, one isn't. So the pattern side I'm going to have facing up here. And this one's going to be facing down. And then you just fold up about 1 inch that way. Flip it over that way. You just go back and forth, kind of accordion style. All right, back and forth, about 1 inch, about 1 inch. And in the end, boom, it'll fit perfect. Okay, works perfect. And then you got kind of like a fan like this. Okay. All right, so now what I'll do is I'll just grab the edge and squeeze. I'm going to the edge that I want to face inward. I'll take this side. I'm going to put the rubber band over here like this, towards near the edge, not far from the edge. I'm going to fold this over. I'll stretch the rubber band to make sure it's all the way by the edge because I don't want to catch it with the stapler because that'll weaken it. And then what I'm going to do is just going to get the stapler right over there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, so I have 3 staples in there. Boom, boom, boom. See it? Kind of sort of straight across. I'm doing it really quick. It doesn't have to be pretty. Okay. You can take your time on it a little bit more if you like. Looks like I lost a rubber band. Oh, I got it. It fell on the floor. So get the other side. Do the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Get that in there nice and tight. And just got to fold it over a little bit. Get the stapler past the rubber band because you don't want to catch the rubber band. Otherwise the rubber band can snap if you catch it. Okay. So you can see it's very stretchy. The rubber band is not going to snap. And this is what it looks like in the end. It's just a flat piece folded over. Is the way it looks, okay? So this side, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. When I open it up, I'm going to grab 2 of these parts. They look like they're folded over. See that? And this side has 1 folded over, and then this just, you can see 2 loose open pieces. So what I'll do is I'll grab the 2 on the top. This is the top where your nose is going to go. Open it up like that. Push the 1 accordion in. See that? This is the way that it looks. You see it's got the 2 sides up here that are folded over. And then down here will just be the 2, looks like loose pieces of the paper towels. And I'm going to show you real quick. Let me get my head down in here so you can see. Hi. All right, so you just fit it over under your chin and like this. Grab these, just put them around your ears, and then over here, I'm going to tilt these up, or you can tilt them down, I guess. I just bend it so it's nice and comfortable, flat against your cheek. Look at that. Tight against your chin. Very tight against the nose, tight against your face, so it's nice and tight fitting. All right, goes around your ears. All right, so that's the way that it looks, and it works perfectly fine. And it's not as hot as some of those commercial ones. You're not going to have to keep touching your face, which is a good thing. And it's disposable because it's cheap. You're not going to have to go to a dollar store and spend $45 for 1 or 2 price gouged surgical face masks, or ones that you can get from auto parts stores, normally for $1. Okay, so it serves the same purpose. It's not hot. It allows you to breathe, and it gives you good protection. Okay, and you could throw it away and just make another one when you're done with it. But you can reuse them as well. Okay, so that's how you make a face mask. Quick, cheap. Anyone can do it. Stay safe, people.